Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install a SSD in a 21-inch iMac. Stay tuned. The things you will need for this repair is a plastic card, a screwdriver kit with Torx drivers, 3M tape, and a blow dryer/hot air gun. Begin with warming up the display with a blow dryer to loosen the adhesive. When you feel that the display is hot around the edges, use the plastic card to cut away the adhesive. Repeat this step until the display is loose by going around all the edges of the display with a plastic card. When the display is loose, gently tilt it down so you can unplug the display cable and the power cable. Then lift off the display. Now the next step is to take off the brackets holding in the hard drive, being careful not to touch the power supply. Begin with loosening the 4 Torx T10 screws. Don't forget to remember in what order they were. Carefully pull out the SATA cable from the hard drive and lift it out. Next step is to take out the old hard drive from its rubber casing and put the new SSD in. Install the new SSD in the case and screw in the brackets holding it in. Now the only step left is to change out the old adhesive holding the screen in. One tip is to install the screen without the adhesive and test the computer to see if everything works as it should. Depending on what adhesive you use, you may need to use 2 stripes, which is my case. Plug in the screen and test if everything works. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!